Hello, my lovely sister.
Yeah, why do you phone me? I had sent money to you last week.
No, I just want to know your condition.
I'm good. What about you?
Amazing. I got a new scholarship yesterday and I just want to give you know it too.
That's great, bro. Oh, actually, I wanna know your friends. I don't want you wrong in choosing friends.
What? You don't believe on me? But okay, I'll invite my friend for having call with you later.
Okay.
I should invite my friends. Where's some bro? Okay. Hey bro, I'm sorry for disturbing you now.
Yeah, hi. What's up?
Actually, my sister wants to know my friends here, so you are one of my bestie. So yeah.
Of course. I want to know your family too, bro.
Oh great. Do you have time tomorrow?
Tomorrow, I think I can.
Okay, see you tomorrow. But what? Wait. Can you invite Jeffrey too?
Yeah. Why not?
Okay.
Hi, Jeff. Do you have time tomorrow?
Yeah, I am free tomorrow. Why?
Because Yudi's sister wanna know us as Yudi's friend.
Oh, I see. Okay, I will join tomorrow.
Yeah, I think we're gonna do it by phone.
Okay, just tell me later.
Hello, sister. So I want to keep my promise. This is my friends, Ambro and Jeffrey.
Oh, I see. Hi, Ambro. Hi, Jeffrey.
Hello, sister.
Hi sister, how are you?
I'm great. What about you?
I'm good sis.
Me too.
Thank you for today sis.
Thank you, sister. We're so blessed to know you.
You are welcome. Keep spirit for you all.
Thank you, sister.
Thank you sis.
Okay, now you have known my friends, right? I will never be wrong in choosing friends.
Okay, brother. You do great.
Okay, sister and my friends, I think I should end this conversation. See you all.